Stop using the Fusion page for your motion graphics. Seriously, if you need an infographic, a documentary-style map, or a dynamic data explainer, you do not need to spend hours building a massive, terrifying web of nodes. Fusion is a powerful VFX tool, but for standard motion design, it is often a slow, heavy bottleneck that halts your creative momentum. Instead of manual keyframing, we are going to look at MotusMCP. This is an AI motion design companion built specifically for DaVinci Resolve. It leverages AI to create the exact animation you need from a simple prompt. Here's exactly how it works. For the sake of showing you, let's try to create a clean UI animation. Here's exactly how it works. First, go up to the top menu bar, click on Workspace, navigate down to Workflow Integrations, and select MotusMCP. To start a fresh generation, click on the New Chat button at the top left of the window. Next, click into the input box at the bottom and type out your animation requirements, describing a clean, bounce animated chat UI with a rainbow border. Then, open your browser and search Pinterest for a chat UI. Right-click a reference design that matches your aesthetic, copy the image link, upload it into the chat panel, and click the green Submit button to generate your draft. Once generated, click Import into Resolve and drag the clip from your bin onto the timeline. Let's take a look at the result. If you notice any visual bugs, like our overlapping cube icon, open the Windows snipping tool to take a screenshot. Draw a red circle right over the issue, upload that image to the chat, and write a revision prompt to fix the icon shape and make the rainbow border loop. To finish up, write one last prompt instructing the AI to keep the cursor fully visible as it clicks the send button. And if you see some text errors, just modify the text in the inspector panel. Just like that, you have a beautifully custom, animated chat UI ready for your edit.